I'm here with Brooke Trusty, Valvoline's brand manager. Brooke, welcome.
Thanks, it's great to be here, Gannon.
All right, so before we talk about the Camaro behind us, which is awesome, and before we talk about the oil that you guys specially designed for newer engines, let's discuss the rich heritage of Valvoline.
Absolutely. So you may not know, Valvoline's actually been around for over 150 years, and it all started with our founder, Dr. John Ellis. At that time, he was looking for healing powers using crude oil. What he found was that petroleum actually has excellent lubricating properties, and we've been innovating ever since. From our first single grade oil to the first racing oil specifically designed for high performance engines, to the first synthetic blend engine oil and high mileage engine oils on the market. And now we're super excited to offer drivers of 2012 or newer cars the protection they need to help prevent issues they may not be aware of in modern engines.
Now, over the years, engines have evolved, better fuel efficiency, power, performance, and the need to meet emissions due to advancements like GDI, gas direct injection engines. As a result, engines are experiencing issues that drivers may not even be aware of.
That's exactly right. So these newer engines are built smaller, more efficient, and they run hotter, making them prone to things like oil and fuel-related carbon buildup, which lead to things like loss of fuel economy, loss of power in the vehicle, and in a really short period of time.
So how has Valvoline responded to this?
Yeah, we've spent a lot of time to understand the newer engine technologies and the problems that exist. We've done this through rigorous testing in our labs, as well as using really awesome techniques such as borescoping to get under the hood and pinpoint exactly where those issues reside and how they're happening. As a result, Valvoline has introduced modern engine full synthetic motor oil. It is specifically formulated for engines 2012 and newer to protect them from carbon buildup, wear, sludge, extreme temperatures, as well as knocking and low-speed pre-ignition.
Well, I'm sure there's a lot more chemistry involved, so thanks for going easy on me and making it easy to understand. And also, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun, Gannon. Thanks for having me. And it's definitely a complex issue, so for viewers who want to learn more about the issue and the products we have, they can visit modernoil.com.
I'm hanging out here with Marc Christ and the 2017 Valvoline Camaro, which is awesome, by the way.
Yeah, it's great. It's a great car right out of the box. The Camaro SS is nothing to sneeze at 450 horsepower. But we're going to take it even further with an Edelbrock supercharger up to about 600 horsepower. We'll complement that with an exhaust system. Then we're going to modify the suspension and brakes as well with some springs and sway bars. Then we'll modify the appearance. We'll do some vinyl decals and, of course, wheels and tires. Then we'll fill it up with some of Valvoline's new modern engine oil. It's fully synthetic and it's going to keep this thing protected.
Man, what a lucky person to win this car. I mean, this is an awesome ride.
Absolutely, yeah. It's really cool. It's one of those cars we build, you know, it's going to stop, it's going to go, it's going to turn, it's going to do everything you want it to do. It's going to look cool.